You have a vision for your outdoor space. At Trex, we see it too. And we're here to make every step of the deck building process easier than you ever imagined. With 5 unique lines of composite decking and numerous railing options to match, Trex has the choices that will fit your style and your budget. Whether it's the luxury of our signature decking and railing or the more DIY-friendly enhanced decking, you'll never have to compromise when you put your trust in Trex. Now, let some of our homeowners tell you why they chose to build with the #1 name in outdoor living. Then let us help you make the Trex decision that's right for you. With its luxurious looks and exceptional longevity, Trex Signature Decking and Railing is setting a new standard for style in outdoor living. Signature features nature-inspired colors with an elegant and extremely realistic-looking wood grain pattern. It's the perfect blend of design and durability, thanks to a 50-year limited residential and fade and stain warranty.
I can't stress enough how authentic the wood grain looks in the signature would be. We wanted classic, timeless, not over the top, but high end. I feel like we got that.
I really like the signature mesh railing because it opens up the deck. I can see our backyard, and bottom line, it's low maintenance.
Invest up front with a quality product like Trex because I don't envision us having to ever upgrade our deck or even enhance it.
Trex Transcend Lineage is the next generation of design and performance. It's engineered with heat mitigating technology, making it our coolest decking yet. Lineage is backed by a 50-year limited residential and fade and stain warranty and comes in a variety of on-trend and tranquil tones, all of which pair perfectly with any Trex railing collection.
The Trex Transcend Lineage in Biscayne is just a beautiful neutral color, and it's so cool and so comfortable to be on. We love it.
We see plenty of summer days in triple digits, and we knew that the Trex material was going to be a little cooler, but was shocked how much cooler it is. We were building this for our enjoyment. Yes, an investment, but an investment for many, many years, so it was worthwhile.
Trex Transcend pairs established looks with assured performance. Its deep grain pattern and vibrant color options deliver an elevated aesthetic. Transcend also features advanced shell protection for superior durability and longevity, which is why it comes backed with a 50-year limited residential and fade and stain warranty.
The reason why I chose Trex Transcend is because it is an American-made product. It's sustainable material, it's very durable, and it looks gorgeous. I absolutely love the Trex Transcend railing and the way it flows with the current deck. I feel that I have finally built something that I feel proud of. I feel that it was worth my money, and I know it's going to last for a long time.
Trex Select is the perfect pairing of price and minimal maintenance. It's available in traditional complementary colors and works perfectly with Select railing. Select is backed by a 35-year limited residential and fade and stain warranty. Trex Enhance blends the beauty of wood with the ease of composite, making it a longer-lasting and more affordable alternative to wood. Its lightweight design also makes it the perfect fit for DIYers. Enhance is backed by a 25-year limited residential and fade and stain warranty. Whether you choose Signature, Transcend Lineage, Transcend, Select, or Enhance, Trex has the decking and railing options that are right for you, no matter the size of your build or your budget. Discover how easy it is to take the first step toward your next deck by visiting compare.trex.com.